let's see what we can find in the water of this quiet little lake in Rockland County, New York. The first thing we see is facing head down and tail up. A very close look at the head shows that this guy is sweeping in lots of water and particles, hinting at the presence of cilia. At the center of the head, we see a jaw-like feature opening and closing, and at the neck, we see gyrating structures. These suggest to me that we have a rotifer. Now, this guy might look similar to a rotifer. It has the same size and overall shape, but its antennae give it away as the copepod that it is. It's a crustacean and far more closely related to the lobster than to our rotifer. Back to our rotifer, assuming that this is indeed a rotifer, it's an uncommon one without an obvious ciliary corona. The gnashing teeth we noted in the center of the head are the trophy, which sit in the pharynx or mastax. Moving toward the tail, we see the action of the intestines as digested food is moved along. And finally, at the tail end, we see the foot with two very wisp-like toes. And these little brown fellows are common in this sample, and they appear to be microalgae. They have a leaf-like shape, and when they turn on their side, they seem to have a very flat profile. In slow motion, we see that they are indeed flat in profile, but broad from the top-down view. We also see what appears to be a prominent red spot, suggesting that these are euglenozoans, possibly of the genus Phacus. Now we focus on some filamentous structures, and by the presence of these relatively clear lime green cells, they look like cyanobacteria. These appear to be of the genus Anabina, and the bright cells are heterocysts, cells capable of fixing elemental nitrogen, N2, into ammonia, NH3. Ammonia allows for the incorporation of nitrogen into organic molecules such as amino acids. This Anabina filament has vegetative cells capable of division, our previously mentioned heterocysts, but we also see a larger cell, an akinete, or an akinete, as you might want to pronounce it. This is a spore-like cell. It can survive during poor growth conditions, such as a very arid environment or one poor in nitrogen. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little journey into the waters of this nice lake, and you'll be back for more journeys in the future. Thank you very much.